If you are thinking of how to convert your PDF file into Word or any other format, but don't know how to do so, in this video, I will tell you a website that's completely free and change your PDF document into Word or any other format by one single click. This website will solve your problem for free and change your worry into happiness and make sure your success and achievement. Just open up Google page on your laptop or computer and type I love PDF, then press enter key. Here, click on the first website. This is the home page of the website, which shows so many options that you can do with your PDF file. Like, split, merge, compress a PDF into Word.
I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from
In order to convert your PDF file into Word, click on PDF to Word and select your PDF file from your Google Drive or from your computer. Here I select this article, which is in PDF format, and click OK. The selected file will uploaded on the website. Now click on Convert to Word in bottom right corner, then file will be downloaded in Word format. You can also convert it into PowerPoint format by click PDF into PowerPoint.
This life is a nuisance, tired of nuisance. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off,
can
find a
edit
place with a view.
PDF.
The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Thanks for watching. Tell me in comments box what kind of application you are searching for, and I will make a video on it for you.